In this video, you'll learn how to find items using reverse image search on eBay. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the steps necessary to locate products efficiently through image uploads. Begin by preparing the image of the item you want to search for. Save this image on your device, ensuring it is clear and well focused. A high quality image is crucial for accurate search results. Once you have the image ready, open your preferred image search tool, such as Google Images. Understanding the functionalities of the tool you choose will enhance the accuracy of your searches. Next, upload the saved image to the reverse image search tool. After the upload, the tool will analyze the image and display a series of suggested matches. Pay close attention to the results that include links to eBay listings. This step is essential because it allows you to filter results specifically related to eBay, increasing your chances of finding the exact item or similar alternatives. After reviewing the suggested matches, take note of the similar items, their prices and conditions. The reverse image search is particularly useful for locating rare or hard to find products. By focusing your search on eBay listings, you can quickly identify potential options that meet your requirements. Once you have the eBay listings that match your image, compare them to find the best price. It is important to check seller ratings, shipping costs, and item conditions to ensure you make an informed decision. Bookmark or save the listings that interest you for easy access later. This process allows you to monitor the listings regularly and ensures you are getting the best. When you are satisfied with your selected options, proceed to purchase the item. This careful comparison process helps avoid overpaying or inadvertently buying counterfeit items. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize reverse image search to streamline your shopping experience on eBay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.